Hi friends, hope you all doing really well. Well, today I don't want to talk about fashion. Instead, I want to talk to you and share how I am feeling when I'm seeing so much of chaos. Are you also feeling the same? With the way curfews are being imposed, with the way farmers are being stopped, with the way this entire country looks into a chaotic situation today. Well, I'm not someone who follows news or is an ardent newspaper reader or watches news very often. However, I think so with so much happening around you, you can't really miss it. And when I'm hearing all of this, it bothers me as where are we heading to? This video is not going to be talking about supporting one political party and opposing the other one. Instead, I want to talk about what is my view on Farm Bill. And I know the intention at this point of time is to remove the middlemen. And I know most of the time we always associate middlemen with the problem. Only because the farmers themselves are not able to go out and reach. And that is the way middlemen are there and they are minting money. Now, sometimes I wonder, okay, great, if the Farm Bill gets implemented and the farmers get an opportunity to go directly and sell in the market, do you think they are equipped today to do that? Do you think they are even equipped with investing in themselves right now to go out and market themselves? That means there is going to be a gap in the market. And instead of middlemen, there are going to be corporate investors who are going to be coming and setting up companies to work like middlemen. Hasn't that happened? Haven't you seen something like this? Similar like Walmart and bigger giants who have done the same thing for clothing? Well, the clothing manufacturers 20, 30, 40 years back had no ways to go and market their clothes globally. And what happened? So many retailers and companies got formed. And of course they brought in a lot of structure into the industry. But do you see the downside of it sometimes? So many laborers are not even being paid the minimum wages. We are mass producing clothes, and today clothing has come to be known as the second most polluting industry in the world. I am fearing the same might happen with the agriculture too. If the farmers are not equipped today, if they do not invest into learning themselves and going and marketing their produce themselves, then of course we are going to be inviting more and more corporates to be coming into this arena and creating structures and dictating prices. Well, I still feel there's hope if the middlemen are not going to be there and if the farmers are going to invest into learning themselves of reaching out and creating a good supply chain, there might be a better tomorrow. But if not, then I'm afraid to think that we might be creating a lot of chaos in the agriculture. Now, this is something which is an essential for us. We need good food. We need good quality of food and the right quantity of food to be produced. And if this is going to be manufactured the way corporates have been manufacturing and operating in so many different arenas, then I feel scared that we might be overpressurizing the farmers by using chemicals, by dictating the labor rates, and also sometimes with the payment terms too. I'm not for and against Farm Bill, but the only way forward I look in this situation is urging people that it's time to not depend on the middlemen, on the government, and on the industrialists to come and set up things for yourself. to come and set up businesses. Instead, go and invest into yourself so that you have the ability to go and market the produce directly to the consumers. I hope you find this useful, and any of you who are hearing me may agree or disagree. Do not forget to share your comments, because I'm open to opinions and I'm open to constructive conversations. This is Tanmaya Goswami from Fashion Business Consulting. Looking forward for more engagement and understanding on this subject. Thank you.